white. Okay? Outer gray matter, or your cerebral cortex, this one, and an inner gray. So from here we can see the layers. Okay, this one, the meninges. So what is the one that is very near or that hugs the cerebral cortex is? The pia mater. Okay, and where you can see blood vessels, this is still your pia mater. Nakadikit sa. This one is your arachnoid. Mukhang may spider web. This one, okay? This is your arachnoid. Wala yung dura mater. So the arachnoid plus your pia mater makes up your leptomeninges. So what we'll focus here, this one is layer here is the cortex. So what is important to look for here are your pyramidal cells of Betz. So class, when we speak of pyramidal cells, these are the characteristic cells of the cell group. Please write pyramidal cells or pyramidal cells of Betz. Mas important na makita namin yung pyramidal na word. Hindi si Betz. Kasi other books will consider them just as pyramidal cells. Cells are very much seen as H2. Okay, yan na. Mahanap tayo. Plus, this one are your microglia. Kasi elongated ang kanyang nucleus. Okay? So, these are your microglia. These cells, on the other hand, yung marami dyan, this one, are your astrocytes. Yan ang astrocytes. Okay? And then the oligodendrocytes, the same thing with a very dark nucleus. Yan lang siya. Yan, maliliit na cells. This one are astrocytes. Yan. The oligodendrocytes are this one. Hanap tayo ng pyramidal. Yes. Dark staining. Nakita ng pyramidal. Ayun. Good. Okay. Marami dyan. Ayan. Ayan. Plus, tuto. Kita nyo. Parang siyang triangle. You can see the centrally located nucleus and nucleolus, and in the background is a slightly darker pink staining triangle. So those are your pyramidal cells. Pyramidal cells of Betz. Nalabas tayo ng mas maganda. Pero actually, class, they are triangular relationship. Okay? So if you focus yourselves to this slide, please look for pyramidal cells and just raise your hands for approval of the cells. Okay? Okay?